Good day, Ma'am Juby Canales. So, I am Renelia Canales. So, today I will discuss about how to set up mobile factor authentication with a mobile device in Microsoft 365 Business. Mobile factor authentication with a mobile device in Microsoft 365 Business. Here is how to set up. When you sign in, you provide more information and select the next. From the drop-down video, choose mobile app. Then choose how you want to sign in when you mobile app. Choose receive the notification for verification to authentication directly from your mobile app, which means cloud fingerprint open authentication. Or choose verification code if you rather enter a new verification code each time you authentication, then set up. Now you need an app on your phone to continue. On your phone, select the device on App Store. Search of Microsoft Authentication app. Then select and install it. Then open it. Complete to wizard. And select the plus sign to add your account. Choose work or school account. Accept app for information. Then scan QR code on your computer. Once the account has been added, select got it and return to computer. Then select next and then next again and return to your phone. Click it, note a code on computer and to code, then select verify. And to your backup phone number like your office number. Then select the next, then done. That's all. Thank you.